Hi, this is Rachelle Scrapcraftastic, and I am going to do my Scrapcraftastic Weekly Challenge Plan with me. This week, the prompt for the challenge is Pretty Pastels. So I'm going to be working in my DIY planner, which is a Fauxbonichi. It has the rose gold classic size discs by the Happy Planner. This is a custom cover that I made for myself using a doll from Coco's Vision. You can shop at Coco's Vision using my code Rachelle20, and the website is cocosvisionshop.com. The background is created with some of my own illustrations. The title page and the tabs are from Creative Design by Jessica here on YouTube, and she also has an Etsy shop. So this is what they look like. And I just put washi tape on the backs. Okay. So I'm going to be using one of my inserts. It's a very basic insert that is printable, available in my shop. It's blank, so you can use stamps, hand lettering, stickers, washi, whatever you choose. And there's 3 variations. There's this version with the grayed headers, and then there is one with no headers. And I think I have a sample of that in here somewhere. There. So this one with no headers, okay? So I'm going to set this aside for now. And we're going to work with this. Again, the prompt is Pretty Pastels. So I've been doing some other artwork on this background, so it might be a little bit grungy. Sorry about that. Okay, so my washi tape is limited. This is the case that I brought with me. So I do have this gold washi, so I think I'm going to use that in the header areas and see how I like it. I don't know if that's too thick, but we're gonna go for it. So I have this sticker pad that I'd already flipped through and found some stickers that I thought might work. So I just cut a little sticky note and put some tabs on here so I could find them. So this one I thought would work good here. Let's see. I'm thinking it's gonna overlay the washi tape a little, or a lot. That's okay. And then let's see. And then I'm gonna put something over here. I got so much yellow over there. Maybe I'll stick with the yellow and gold. And do this. Okay. So I need to put down my days of the week, and I'm going to use one of my own day of the week stickers. these, which I believe are available over in Patreon. Let me get my tweezers. It's a payday sticker from Piper Paper Company. And get Happy Mail Wednesday. And I put a to-do on Monday. For online order on Tuesday. And let's do one of these little work icons for Monday. I'm gonna use Crafting by the Pound Wash Hair for Friday, because it's a whole situation. Oh, let me hold off on that and put down my doll. So I was flipping through my dolls and I could use her, but I'm not really feeling her. And I could use her, but I think I want to use her. Let's break up the yellow a little bit. She's got on pretty pastel colors in addition to the jeans. So I'm gonna put her like right here. And that's from Coco's Vision. It's from the exclusive doll sheets. That was sheet number 4. And I believe there's, what, 6 sheets. So, and then I want to use my JD in Brooklyn doll also for April showers. I think I'll put her down here. Let's see. Yeah. I can put her up here. And then I need to put down the numbers for the dates. Let's use these. Let's try to finish this sheet from Crafting by the Pound. So Sunday is the 12th. Let's start there. Let's use one of these coffees, even though I've been too lazy to get up and make myself coffee most of the time. It could happen. So I'm gonna put that there. And there was a special moon recently too. I need to start using my moon stickers. I've already missed several of them. So I've missed February and March. Let's go in with the April 7th was the pink moon. Gotta remember to start using those. I was kind of saving them because I want to do a specific, like a moon journal, but it doesn't look like that's happening, so I might as well go ahead and use those stickers now. Okay, that's that for that. Let's see if I have any more JD and Brooklyn stickers that I want to use. I'm gonna do one of these paydays. Down there. I think I should use these next. Just use planner for Sunday. And I think that's gonna be it. Now let's get into this. Unfortunately, there's not very many yellow flowers in here that are pastel-y. I'm gonna grab this one because it kind of goes with the color scheme and style of flowers that we're already using. That right there. That right there. And I'm going to use this other one too. The only thing with these yellow flowers is that they have rose gold. So I don't know. Let's put a little washi down here. Now let's finally put down this wash hair sticker. And let me see if there's anything in here that we want to use. think that's it for that. So this is Colorful Boxes. I think this is the first book. And this was Fun Florals. I think that's gonna wrap it up. Let's pop this back in here. Stick it right here. Okay. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Let's do another giveaway. This time I'm going to give away the printable or digital download for the insert that I'm using in this video, and I will make it available in your choice of size, so you're not limited to the Skinny Classic. I'll convert it to be used with whatever size you choose. All you have to do is leave a comment below telling me what type of sticker you would like that you have not seen. It could be word stickers or graphic stickers. Whatever sticker comes to mind that you have not seen, leave me a comment and let me know what that is. And the giveaway rules, terms, conditions will be in the description box below, and this is open internationally. Good luck!